The Anchor Hocking glass bread pan is a remarkable product that excels in both functionality and design. Crafted from durable glass, this bread pan offers a reliable and long-lasting solution for your baking needs. One of the key advantages of this bread pan is its material. Being made of glass, it provides even heat distribution, ensuring that your bread bakes evenly throughout. This is essential for achieving that perfect golden crust and soft, fluffy interior. As a product of the reputable brand Anchor Hocking, you can trust in the quality and craftsmanship of this bread pan. With over a century of experience in glassware manufacturing, Anchor Hocking is synonymous with excellence, and this product is no exception. The clear color of the pan adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to your kitchen. Its transparent nature allows you to monitor the progress of your baking without the need to open the oven, preserving heat and maintaining optimal baking conditions. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.